Hey guys, welcome back to this midweek episode of R&D Garage. So today I am taking my girl drag racing as it is Wednesday. So she's currently on the trickle charger, as you can see. I'm about to take her off. I'm getting prepared. I'm going to have a nice big lunch, drink a lot of water. It's already about 80 degrees here, which is not the funnest, but you know, it is what it is. It's still a great day. It's kind of like bad pizza is still good pizza. So I'm going to take my girl out. We're going to have some fun, and I'm taking you along. Okay guys, here we go. I'm super early. Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Very good.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, it looks like you're ready.
Oh yeah.
Alright, stamp you.
Perfect.
You know what to do.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dawn.
So I just paid. I got my tech card, which I'm going to fill out as soon as they park us to begin loading in. And right now I'm behind one of my favorite gear jammers. He's a super cool guy. Sometimes comments on my videos. And fellow gear jammer. And so we're just, here we go. Hey guys. And he's fast. He's got a, well, I guess I won't give it away, but let's just say the first time I raced this dude right here, he pretty much handed my behind to me. It's a good thing he's funny. Thanks for signaling. Sweet. It looks like they still have the class going on. I always love seeing what they're doing. It looks like a couple Porsches actually. I would love to do a Porsche experience here. Hope you guys can hear me. So we're gonna start doing the lineup. I'm gonna fill out my tech card, and then we're gonna race. And usually we line up double, so I'm just gonna go ahead and follow my buddy here. I think this is the earliest I've been. I left at the normal time, but managed to get here kind of early anyway, which is never a bad thing. So I'm gonna park in the shade. Okay. What's up? Okay, gonna fill out my tech card. And we're on our way to load up finally. That took about an hour, which is a lot longer than it normally takes. But we will be out there shortly, so I'm going to show you the route we usually take. Here are all the drifters on this side. I don't know if you guys are able to see that. Here are all the drifters. But I do drags. Hopefully try drifting soon. We shall see. See a yellow Supra. See an M3. It's always cool to see the setups out here. Here we go onto the track. Awesome. Thank you. I always like to thank the crew because they work hard. And yes, they're paid to be here, but you know what? This is a happy place, and I like to leave everybody being happy too. And now I'm gonna go join my gear jammers. You see all my boys up here. They're gonna be like, oh my god, you're making another video, aren't you? And I'm gonna be like, yes sir. And I usually like the right lane here, so I'm gonna park behind my buddy again. And when we're ready to race, I shall turn the camera back on, and I'm gonna go hang out with my buds. Good bunch of people. If you have a stick shift and you're in the area, and you want to come to Sonoma Raceway, do gear jammers. We're very, very welcoming. Okay guys, well jackpot's going right now, and then the gear jammers are up. So I already aired down my tires to 19 PSI, and I am ready to go. Let's do this. Oh, that's right. So apparently we're putting our time on the car.
Yeah. Down there. You know what number you want?
Let's do 15.4.
15.4?
Yes. Thank you. He's such a sweet guy. So apparently we're doing bets on whoever gets closest to their first time. So I'm hoping that I win.
Are they doing that right now?
Yeah, it's for the first run. It's kind of like a bet.
The announcer came up and says, hey, we're just going to start something. Put what you think your car might run on your first time run, and they're going to do a little thing. Just something if you want to participate in. That's all I have to.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, thank you.
Oh.
Actually, I may have overshot. I think I may be running 14s, but we'll see. Heat of the moment. And we got my buddy adjusting his. I always feel like it's pointed at me. It is a warm day here, but it's not as hot as I expected, which is nice. Probably should have done 14 for it. Oh well. Here we go. And unfortunately, you can't run with your windows down here, so it gets a little hot sometimes. But I was surprised we were able to run windows down on the track last week. That was super cool, because it was freaking hot. Ooh. Oh wait, no. Who am I running? Oh, I'm running my buddy. Sick. He's been doing super well. And one of my favorite guys waving us by. It's hilarious. They're all super sweet here. If you do end up going, tell them Rachel sent you. Oh man, it is warm. It's always really cool coming to a place like this and everybody knows you. It's just a really good feeling. I always get nervous about my seating position. There they go. Woo. How's it going?
How's it going?
Pretty good. How are you doing?
Well, then I found out last Friday my knee and foot's fractured.
Oh no, I'm sorry. Well, at least they got you a chair.
What happens when you get old?
I hope I never find
Shit
out.
happens.
All right, thank you. Love that guy. Okay. Ooh, Mark got a good time. Okay. Well, he took me, but I wasn't far off his butt, and I got a really good reaction time, so I'm super stoked about that. I don't see Carlos, so I'm gonna go. Woohoo! And so this, you guys may recognize this part of the track because this is where I was doing about 90-95 last Wednesday. So this is definitely a different feeling going about 25. And they're, oh, love, love, love the guy in the Red Fury. He's super sweet. I always love this because this view obviously is gorgeous, but you can also see the cars running when you're driving back, which is also super cool. So, all good stuff. So I feel like that was a really good, strong first run. I'm happy. And hopefully she keeps up. And now we're gonna pick up our time slip. Hey, hi, thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, that was not Lisa. Nice. Okay, I'm happy. I got a 14.9. So yeah, I definitely underestimated my girl here. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe off that number and get back in line. And that, folks, is basically how you drag race or what to expect. I shall see you soon.